The Performance Monitoring module in Virtual Safety Management System application is a specialized dashboard designed for safety assurance. It centralizes safety data to help management track how well the organization is meeting its safety goals and regulatory requirements, like ICAO Annex 19. Here is a breakdown of what this module does. 1. Data filtering and customization. At the top, the search criteria section allows you to slice the data to find specific trends. You can filter by time frame, date ranges for specific reporting periods. Status, type, focusing on specific categories of incidents or reports. Company group, useful for organizations with multiple departments or subsidiaries to compare performance across the board. 2. Temporal trend analysis. The monthly reporting bar chart tracks the volume of reports over time. This helps you identify seasonal trends, spikes in reports during specific months. Reporting culture. A steady flow of reports usually indicates a healthy safety culture where employees feel comfortable reporting issues. 3. Workflow and lifecycle tracking. The statuses and status percentage charts, the purple-themed pie chart and bar graph, monitor the progress of safety reports. They show bottlenecks. If too many reports are stuck in analysis or pending, it signals that the safety team may be overwhelmed. Completion rates. It tracks how many issues have reached closed or completed status, ensuring that risks are actually being mitigated and not just documented. 4. Hazard and issue classification. The types and types percentage charts, the blue-themed charts, categorize the nature of the reports. Common classifications in aviation SMS typically include reactive, accidents or incidents that have already occurred. Proactive, preventative, hazards identified before they cause an event. Technical, operational, distinguishing between equipment failures and human factor issues. 5. Organizational oversight. The group reporting pie chart provides a high-level view of how different sectors of the business, e.g., flight ops versus ground handling, are contributing to the safety data. Summary of purpose. Essentially, this module turns raw safety data into safety performance indicators, SPIs. It allows safety managers to move from guessing to knowing by providing a visual evidence base for proactively identifying emerging risks, verifying that corrective actions are effective, providing audit-ready proof of safety oversight for civil aviation authorities,